contest to see who can eat the fastest. Whoever loses has to do 20 push-ups. 2.
Right here. Right here. He got to do it.
Oh. Ekaloo.
He already got to do it. I'll do 20.
Ekaloo, you did high. The negotiation.
Oh, snap. That's huge.
Okay, ready. Get set. Go.
Oh, dang, yo. He's too happy that thing up. Concentrate, man.
Pizza contest.
I don't realize your crusade's a disguise. Replace freedom with fear, you trade money for lies. I'm aware of what you've done. No more sorrow, I thank for your mistakes. Your time is borrowed, your time is come to.
Oh man, look at his face, dude. Oh, there he is. Don't do it!
That's the choice.
Okay.